Hey everybody, my name is Kelsey and I am going to be walking you through how to upgrade your membership in the community platform. Right now we are running a promotion through the end of January where if you sign up for an annual standard membership for yourself, you'll get the opportunity to choose a lucky friend to gift a free annual membership to as well. So we've had a lot of great questions, a lot of great feedback about that program, a lot of questions on how to get signed up and get that rolling. So here I am to show you how to make that happen. The first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and get signed into the platform. On this left side here, you'll hit the Groups tab. That should bring up an option for the standard membership. So go ahead and hit Try Free. That will take you to a panel here just highlighting the benefits of the standard membership. Up at the top, you've got your two payment options. We've got $18 a month or $195 per year. With the January promotion, the $195 per year is the only one that is applicable to that. Again, if you sign up for an annual membership for yourself, you will have the opportunity to choose a lucky friend to gift a free annual membership to as well. If you go ahead and scroll down, you'll get a list of things you'll have access to through that platform, past conference videos, past videos from the virtual summit, any of our webinars that you weren't able to attend live will be accessible there as well, along with a few other things we've got in the works for 2022. So if you scroll down here to the bottom, you'll have an option to toggle which membership option you would like. You'll go ahead and hit Try Free. Your first month with a membership is free. It will ask you for some payment information here. That way, once your free trial is over, it'll just roll right over into that membership option you chose in the previous step. I mentioned a few things we're rolling out for 2022 that we're really excited about. We've got some mini tutorials in the works, mentorship program in the works. With that, you'll have access to plenty of resources, plenty of networking opportunities that will be available exclusively to that standard membership. Thanks so much for listening. If you have any questions about this process or how to get this rolling, please feel free to find me in the chat feature up there in the top right corner. Or you can email us at membership@womeninanalytics.com. Feel free to send any questions over you may have. Thank you again, and we will see you soon.